Alright, so here I have just wired up the Amphenol plug for the 3A transmitter and a call director. And I'll go ahead and put a diagram up here in the corner so you can see how I wired it. And then pretty much the second Amphenol has some leftover wires that were on it originally, but nothing going to the line cord. And then the first Amphenol is wired pretty much exactly how the schematic shows, I'm pretty sure. And then we have the extra wires coming out. The violet slate wires are for the hold lamp. Violet brown, those are for another set of contacts in the hold key. So anyway, and then here are the wires that go to the phone itself. And here are the wires for the speakerphone that go to the phone as well.